Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bangalore Motovlogs. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Today's topic will be on car or bike pooling and how it helps in Bangalore traffic and by saving our money and time. So there is app called QuickRide and how this app works and what is the use of this app, why you should use. To know this thing, watch the complete video.
Naina hates crowded bus travel daily to work. Ankit travels to the same places as Naina by his car, but he's worried about fuel and maintenance costs. Karin stays near Ankit's residence and works at the same tech park, but he's bored of driving alone and usually feels sleepy. Wouldn't it be great if they connected and traveled together to save cost and conserve the environment? Introducing QuickRide. Just tell where you want to go. QuickRide will connect you to people going in the same route. They check detailed profiles of each other and request the rides instantly. They coordinate through group chat and see each other's location on live map. Ankit is happy to redeem his ride points at petrol pump with QuickRide Petro Card. Naina and Karin are super happy as they're getting comfortable and faster ride at the cost of a bus. Whether for your daily office commute, for airport travel, or for weekend travel, QuickRide brings you shared options to ride smartly. So, what are you waiting for? Just download QuickRide and get going. QuickRide, a cloud of wheels.
This app is developed in 2015 by Aidisha Info Labs Private Limited. If you used to commute to office daily from daily like vice versa, then this app will be very useful for you. Either you may travel by your own vehicle or the public transport. Think if you are traveling by your own vehicle to office or work, you can share the empty seats by offering rides. Like in your vehicle, you can either it may be car or the bike, so that you can earn money from that. If you used to travel by public transport like bus or the cabs, so that you can find rides by this app and you can join and travel together, and you can save a lot of money and time when compared to bus or the cabs. And the price for the travel from this app is as low as 3 rupees per kilometer. Yes, it's 3 rupees per kilometer.
Let's see how you can sign up with QuickRide. You can either sign up using any of your social accounts or give your details like name, email ID, gender and click on sign up. We value your privacy and do not share your details with anyone. Add your corporate email ID. We encourage our users to verify their corporate email to make sure we maintain a purely professional network of users on our platform. We send only OTP mail to your company email ID. Select your preference. You want to give a ride or take a ride. Specify your home and office route details. This is extremely helpful for finding you best matches. Once you have set your route, add a profile picture. Why do we need a profile picture? Well, your picture helps co-riders in quick identification. It's helpful in profile verification as well. This brings us to the final step. Verify your mobile number and email ID via OTP. And you're done. You're all set to take your first ride with QuickRide.
Yeah, recently QuickRide made an event called Helmet Distribution and Recognition Event. They made this event to encourage the bike pullers in association with the ELCIA. If you are working in electricity, then you must be aware of ELCIA. Somewhere you have heard that name. So they are the one who is taking care of the electricity premises, whether it may be the lightning, road, whatever the thing it may be. So ELCIA is off topic for this. So for this event, I also got invited from the QuickRide team for doing the quick bike pooling. So yes, I was doing the bike pooling. So I made a video on this where the bike pullers share their experience with this app and their contribution towards the environment. Let's have a look on this video.
So that's I started giving bike pulling actually. So morning when I coming from Bannerghatta, so I have different options. Either I can come via BTM layout or via some other road. Yeah, Manipal County Road. So I used to post 2 rides, so that whoever make me request accordingly, I will plan the route. So this is the best way. Like we can post multiple options, whichever the route you can comfortable to go, and the riders who are looking. Mostly BTM side very demandable actually. So mostly I used to come from BTM level.
Thank you all. Actually, this journey started last year when I joined Infosys. Actually, I shifted to Electronic City Phase 2. Initially, I didn't have any bike and anything to come from there because we know that from Electronic City Phase 2 to Niladin Nagar it's very difficult to ride. Then 1-2 days I saw one app in Play Store. Then one ride I did as an unverified user only. Then I had my bike, and from there onward I started this QuickRide. Actually, my roommates told me actually you were using earlier, and now from QuickRide only I am getting my friends to play cricket because earlier we are having problem to accumulate 11 players. Now from QuickRide we are having friends, and every weekends we are playing cricket.
My friends told me about this app. Now it's like without any pillion rider, come to Electronic City is a boarding job. Alone coming, it's around a 40 minutes drive. So without any pillion rider, it's a kind of a boarding job. And I have make around 5 to 7 friends who are like literally I am not even searching for new riders. Around those 7 friends only, I can join rides. New friends plus saving money and some contribution to traffic and all.
So guys, after seeing this video, definitely try this QuickRide app for the daily commute and save money and time as well as environment. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.